How to use presets for night photography. First of all, open the Lightroom app on your device and select a night photo you want to edit. Browse your Lightroom presets and choose one that enhances shadows, highlights, and overall lighting while keeping the night scene natural. Next, apply the preset by tapping it. After applying, check the photo for adjustments needed. Fine-tune exposure, shadows, highlights, contrast, and white balance to bring out details in dark areas and maintain natural colors. Adjust temperature, saturation, and tone curves to emphasize the mood of your night scene and reduce noise. Once you are happy with the adjustments, save the edited settings as a custom preset so you can quickly apply the same style to other night photos in the future. Now you know how to use presets for night photography. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.